Hello everyone, welcome to our channel, and today we will see how we can make international payments using Revolut. So for that you need to open up your Revolut app and you will be able to see this option of transfer on bottom. Just click on it, then click on this option of new with the plus icon on the top right hand side. Just click on it, and after that we will select the option of send international and then select the destination where we want to send. So we will select US as an example in this video, and after that we need to type the amount that we want to send and then click on the transfer method. Cards are not available for sending to US, so bank option is still available for US, so we will select bank, and after that we can give reference over here like why you are sending this money or anything that you want to add in reference can be added, and after that just click on continue. And since we selected bank account over here, so we need to provide the bank details of the person who we are sending the money to. So in the next step you will have to provide the bank details when you click on continue, and after reviewing this transaction you will be able to make payment. And this is how you send money from Revolut to another country. I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.